It's Philly free and a place to be. See and make sure y'all subscribe to Hey Nori. Yeah. Good morning. Happy Vlogmas Day 2. So I woke up. It's about like 9ish right now. I don't feel the best. Like I'm trying to just like, wake up. When you wake up like your throat's a little groggy and everything. I'm trying to just make sure it's just that. And maybe I need a dehumidifier because I don't feel great right now. I'm opening up my peanut butter. It's the Trader Joe's peanut butter with the peanuts on top and it's unsalted. Just in case anybody was wondering. But I'm about to eat this with a granola bar. But yeah, I don't feel the best right now and I'm trying to just make sure that it's not a big deal. Like I just need a dehumidifier, which I really hope it's not. But this is why I don't like when the weather is like this. Like one day it's 31 degrees it says, and then that same day though, like I could be okay in a jean jacket. Like I don't really see how that works. You gotta stir it because the oil's on top. But yeah, so, and then I also want to look up gyms near me. You know what's so funny? I had a gym membership to City Fitness, and I did not go often. Like, this is when I was working like a 9 to 5, and I don't know. If you work a 9 to 5 and you have a gym membership, I feel like it should be free because just think about like, especially depending on what type of 9 to 5 you have. I think it's all like mentally draining to be completely honest, but like if you just sitting down at an office and then after work or even before work you go to the gym, it's like, bro, work is exhausting. And then to go to the gym, oh my God. I'm getting my use out of it, you know? So I'm on IKEA. I'm on IKEA right now because I need like a chair because I don't have anywhere to sit in my room except for on my bed. And like sometimes I come home, I don't immediately take my clothes off. So I need a chair to sit in. Like, and sometimes when I'm eating, I don't always want to sit on my bed. Like, I just don't want to sit on my bed all the time. So I got this chair. The reviews say it's good. And then I got a drying rack because it's just some clothes that I have, like, I really don't want to put in the dryer. Like, I want to be better about treating my clothes better, I guess. So, yeah, about to order this. It's been a couple of hours. Finally placed the order for the IKEA stuff. I just needed to watch some reviews, putting some clothes on because I'm about to go to the grocery store really quick so I can just get some things for dinner. I really been wanting some like steak. So yeah, I'm gonna go get a steak and some potatoes. And oh my gosh, you know what I'm gonna put on top? I have some crab cake that I got from Whole Foods. I'm gonna like do something with that and put that on top. Put that on top. Put that on top. That's what I'm gonna do. And I bet you it's gonna be like 70% cheaper than going to a steakhouse or whatever. But another one of the things that I wanted to work on. I hope it's not cold out. I am kind of in the mood to go for a walk. And I don't feel like I'm sick. It's just in the morning, like right when I wake up, I feel so groggy. Like I feel like I might be sick. I think I need a dehumidifier because I sleep with the heater on. So, but that's not like my normal thing though. I do that because it's really cold. And yeah, I mean, what the hell else I'm gonna do? I'm not about to freeze. I sleep with the heat on, but the window open. Like, I need that happy medium. These are my favorite towels, bro. That Velcro part. Love that. And then I have a storage unit also in Spring Garden. So I went there and got some of my winter hoodies and stuff. So that's really why my laundry seems like it's taking forever. I feel like I've been doing it for a long time. So yeah, I feel like I've been doing my laundry for hours. But I kind of have, because, I mean, it's no big deal, whatever. Actually, I'm gonna bring this cart with me. I have a shopping cart. Can I see it? Oh. Because the lighting on this is terrible. Hold on. I'm gonna bring my shopping cart. Y'all see it? It's right here. Because I need to get a case of water. So let me put this jacket on. We finna head out. Hold on. We finna head out. Hold on. Is this the right way to record? Wait a damn minute, bro. This is creme brulee. Are you serious? I love creme brulee. Bro, didn't I say I wanted to go to like a steakhouse? This is how you make it though. You need that little torch thing. Do not turn upside down. Remove foil and enjoy. Wait, no. This don't gotta go in the oven. This don't gotta go in the oven at all. Hold on. Oh, yes it does. Okay, wait, hold on. Okay, so it's in the inside, because I was like, I'm not buying this and taking it home. Okay, wait. Remove seal, sprinkle the topping, follow step 1, 2. The torch, move the flame of the torch to 2 to 3. The sugar caramelize. Oh my God, I'm getting some of these. So basically, hold on. I'm getting some of these. So basically I gotta put them in the oven, period. Wow. Look at what not being lazy do. Because I could have easily just went to a steakhouse and just had them do this shit. But I'm saving so much money. And they even got a creme brulee. Like, be for real. Wow, that's great. I mean, I'm recording with my back camera, but let me just watch this footage to make sure that I'm actually recording right. Hold on. Back home, okay? So I'm gonna make like a steak, some potatoes, some mashed potatoes, and some asparagus, and a béarnaise sauce. I don't know, it's just what I be getting at Ruth Chris, and you know they charge like $15 for this topping when I already have the stuff. So I had to go to Wine and Spirits to get some wine. I just got I googled it, Sauvignon Blanc, Chile, whatever. I just need a white wine. I needed some shallots, but Aldi did not have any. So I googled it. It said the next best thing is sweet white onions. Let me just, here go the asparagus. This recording. Okay, that's the asparagus. I got some strawberries just because I really want some strawberries. I got me some creme brulee. I'm about to go, actually, one of these days, not today though, I'm gonna go buy a bunch of these, probably buy them out, because, are you kidding me? This is one of my favorite desserts ever, with some berries. That's why I got the strawberries. So let me put these in the fridge. Don't they be saying do that? Hold on, can y'all see? Oh, y'all can see. In a bowl, I'm gonna just put some vinegar, child. I don't know how much. I don't know. That's just what I'm gonna do. I don't know. Okay. I don't know. I don't know. Put my wine in the cabinet. Here it is, y'all. This looks so freaking good. I'm about to try some. Don't mind the fork, child. This the fork. I was eating off the mashed potatoes. Oh my God. Y'all. Are any of y'all like this? Like when you craving like a food and then you end up making it yourself and then you never end up buying it out again because you feel like you make it better yourself? Mm-hmm. And I did the steak. So good, bro. Oh my God. Okay, bye. I gotta eat. And now I'm about to eat some creme brulee. I hope it's good. Also, just uploaded VLOGMAS. Of course it's good. I love creme brulee. Creme brulee is one of those things I actually want to learn how to make homemade because I love it that much. But yeah, I just uploaded VLOGMAS. I really did not want to upload it that late. Well, this late. But once it was done uploading, then it had to like publish, and that took the longest. Like putting it on YouTube only took like, I don't even know. Child, putting it on YouTube only took like maybe like an hour. The publishing thing is the one that took like an hour and 45 minutes. I was like, it's up now. And I didn't upload on the 1st because it actually was really late. It was like 11:30. And I didn't want to not upload this time because it was late. I was like, either way, they're gonna go up. And people upload late all the time, you know, so whatever, it's fine. Thank you so much for tuning in. That's a projector. That's not a camera. Whatever, anyway. That's a projector. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Stay safe. And tomorrow I think we're gonna actually go do our intro. I'm excited. Oh my God. Okay, bye. Be safe.